Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you about this 2019 Keystone Outback 326RL. This guy has a lot packed into it, so we're going to take a little bit of time and walk through some of the features that really make this one stand out. Just first off, you have your 7-point leveling system. It's push button. It makes it super easy to make sure that you're with something of this length that you're actually stable and you're level at the same time. There are a bunch of slide outs on this, and so it packs a lot inside. So we're going to head inside to look at a lot of the features that make this one really special. So first off, you have your big grab handle, nice big steps that go all the way to the ground. It is outfitted with your Arctic barrier for deep season camping. And right off the front, you're going to notice that you have your huge kind of monitor panel here that controls a lot of the other features of this rig. When we walk in, there's a lot to take in here. We're just going to start with the kitchen and move around. There's two 8 cubic foot fridges here, so that's a pretty big rarity in a bumper pull trailer. You walk into your kitchen, a lot of space here, a ton of space, and a really great division of space as well with this peninsula countertop. Solid countertops here, stainless steel sink and pull for your faucet, your Furrion oven and stovetop, and vents directly outside. Really nice kind of division of space here into your entertainment kind of media area. You have your 2 Thomas Paine recliners right across from a hide-a-bed that folds out into a full-length bed. Now everything is looking at this huge television, your built-in stereo system, and your fireplace. Those fireplaces, electric fireplaces, really heat up these spaces really, really well. With the insulation that's already built into this guy, it doesn't need to take a lot to heat it up and to stay warm. You have a ton of windows going all the way around, and you have your booth here for dining that can convert into another sleeping area, and all your windows are outfitted with MCD blackout shades too. One of the nice features here as well is your huge pantry. And we still haven't actually touched a lot of the stuff here that deals with storage. Right here, we're going to walk through the bathroom, a nice glass enclosure corner for your shower, a nice vanity, a step flush toilet, hooks, and a lot of really nice features here to make sure that you feel at home and you can entertain at the same time. When we walk into the bedroom, you have an east-west bed. It's a really big bed, and this is on a slide out too, so it gives you quite a bit more space in this area. One of the things that you get with an east-west bed is you get to use the entire front cap essentially for your closet space. So tons and tons of hanging space, goes all the way back. Plus, one of the things that makes this really stand out as well is that you have not only kind of folding closet space, but you also have, if you need it, if you wanted to put it in, a washer dryer hookup too. And that's not it for space as well, because you have your up top space and a space for another television, and it still stays pretty bright with your big windows on either side. So if you have any questions about this rig or any other Keystone Outbacks on lot, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop on by Junction City and say hello.